Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a video upload time in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click the Upload Videos button at the top right of your screen to open the Upload dialog. Click Select Files and choose the video file you want to upload from your computer, then click Open. Once the file uploads, you'll see the Details page where you can add a title and description. Click Next at the bottom right. On the Video Elements page, click Next again to continue. On the Checks page, click Next once more to reach the visibility settings. Under Visibility Options, click the Schedule drop-down to expand it. Click the Date Picker field and a calendar appears. For this example, I'm selecting August 12, 2026. Click the Time Picker field, and for this example, I'm choosing 5:30 a.m. Click the Schedule button at the bottom right to confirm your scheduled publish time. Your video is now scheduled, and you'll see a dialog confirming the date and time it will go live. If you need to change the scheduled time later, go back to your content page, find the video, click the three dots menu and select Edit. You can reschedule or change it to publish immediately from there. Keep in mind YouTube needs at least 2 hours from now for a scheduled upload, so if you try to set a time too soon, it won't let you save it. The scheduled video stays in your content library marked as scheduled until the publish time arrives, and you'll get a notification when it goes live. And that's how to schedule a video upload time in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.